Are you looking for ways to lower your blood pressure naturally and quickly? High and low blood pressure can cause severe health problems and lead to stroke or heart attack. In this video, I'm going to show you simple and effective tips to help you lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of developing serious health issues. So stay tuned and let's get started. High blood pressure is a common health concern for many people. If left untreated, it can lead to stroke or heart attack. The good news is there are some natural and simple ways you can take to lower your blood pressure. The first step is to understand what causes high blood pressure. One of the main causes is stress. The way our bodies deal with stress is to release hormones, which can increase blood pressure. So if you are feeling stressed out, practice relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and breathing exercises. This will help reduce stress and lower your blood pressure. Another cause of high blood pressure is dietary factors. Eating high sodium foods can cause high blood pressure. Additionally, people who are overweight or obese need to lose weight to reduce the risk of developing hypertension. Eating a healthy diet by reducing unhealthy fats and increasing high fiber foods can help to lower your blood pressure naturally. Exercise is also an important factor in reducing high blood pressure. Regular physical activities such as walking or riding a bike helps to improve circulation and lowers blood pressure. Exercise helps to reduce stress, which can help reduce blood pressure as well. Additionally, exercises such as running and jumping can help to strengthen your heart, which can lower your blood pressure in the long term. In addition to exercising and eating a healthy diet, there are some natural supplements that you can take to help lower your blood pressure. These supplements typically come in capsule or powder form and can be taken daily. Common supplements that have been clinically proven to help lower blood pressure include garlic, omega-3 fish oil, and hibiscus tea. Finally, there are some lifestyle changes you can make to help lower your blood pressure naturally and quickly. These include quitting smoking, limiting alcohol consumption, and getting sufficient sleep. These lifestyle changes can help reduce stress and help you maintain a healthy weight, both of which can play a role in lowering high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a serious health concern, but there are simple and effective ways to reduce it. You can lower your blood pressure by exercising, eating a healthy diet, taking natural supplements, and making lifestyle changes. Implementing these tips can help you achieve a healthier blood pressure and reduce your risk of experiencing serious health problems. By following the tips in this video, you can reduce your risk of hypertension and enjoy the many benefits of living a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're trying to lower your blood pressure quickly or naturally, these tips can help you get on the right track. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to speak to your doctor. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.